Multiple chemical sensitivity (MCS) is an overlapping condition that frequently goes hand in hand with fibromyalgia. And isn't it annoying? Out go all the perfumes you can no longer wear, out go all the beautiful smelling candles and face products and hair shampoos. You can no longer use these without getting a headache, watery eyes and wheezing. The weekly pumping of gasoline causes dizziness, inability to concentrate and nausea. Heaven forbid walking into a nail salon or a freshly painted room. Shopping with all the scented candles and other smells becomes a nightmare. Yes, that's right, the treatment for MCS is to try and remove all the triggers from your life. That's why going into the world is like a lucky dip. Will I encounter someone with strong perfume or aftershave in the elevator? Will I have to walk through the perfume department of the store to get to the Manchester that I need? And can anyone please tell me why buying cleaning products, like shampoos and conditioners, with perfumes removed, cost more money? No one seems to know whether fibromyalgia leads to MCS or vice versa, or whether they have related causes. MCS is a syndrome where the sufferer has multiple symptoms when exposed to small amounts of everyday chemicals. MCS is a term used to describe this condition which has heightened sensitivity to chemicals. It is also called idiopathic environmental intolerance (IEI). The bad thing is that, according to research at the University of Melbourne, occurrences of MCS have risen 300% in the last decade. Professor Ann Steinemann from the University of Melbourne estimates that 55 million Americans have chemical sensitivity. Some people have only mild chemical sensitivities, while others have a more severe form. A full list of the symptoms of multiple chemical sensitivity are asthma, breathlessness, coughing, difficulty sleeping, digestion problems, dizziness, fatigue, headache, impaired concentration, joint pains, lethargy, memory problems, muscle pain, nausea, runny nose, sinus, sore throat, stinging eyes, wheezing. The 1999 Consensus Statement Criteria for Multiple Chemical Sensitivity (MCS) are 1. The symptoms are reproducible with repeated chemical exposure. 2. The condition is chronic. 3. Low levels of exposure, lower than previously or commonly tolerated, result in manifestations of the syndrome. 4. The symptoms improve or resolve when the incidents are removed. 5. Responses occur to multiple chemically unrelated substances. 6. Symptoms involve multiple organ systems. Other overlapping conditions include chronic fatigue syndrome, costochondritis, irritable bowel syndrome, myofascial pain syndrome, restless leg syndrome, TMJ, or temporomandibular syndrome. Sources: Annals of Internal Medicine, ResearchGate, Multiple Chemical Sensitivity Review, the Environmental Illness Resource. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you. From Lee Good at Fibro Files.